Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Agus Fitriyanto. I'm from a student of the History of Islamic Civilization, Faculty of Manner and Language. Yes. Raden Mas Said State Islamic University. I want to speak about nature and humans. However, there is something missing. Then, to complement, let you say basmalah forever. Let you say forever basmalah. Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And pray to our Allah. May we get blessing from Allah. Amin. Don't forget, greeting to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nature and humans are Allah creation. Humans always need nature. However, humans are something greedy when they already have everything, including destroying nature, the forest, 100 animals, littering, pollution, and any more. And that's human do every day. Even talk can cause nature disaster. For example, flood, fire, forest, landslide, pollution, and any more. Then, let us take care of nature. For simple example, throwing trash in the trash. So, let's we start protect nature from now on. Yes, protect nature from now on. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.